And to end our news bulletin, a film crew from the Okeanos Foundation are on the island this week to document the effect of noise pollution and other factors on marine animals. The visit is part of a project that aims to re-establish cultural links through traditional voyaging and to raise awareness of the key environmental issues threatening the Pacific Ocean. We spoke to Didier Pullman, founder of Okeanos and group leader, about the project.
We started with a film for the environmental issues of the Pacific and the issues which are not so well addressed in the moment, like sound in the sea, sound pollution, acidification, and anoxia, that means dead zone, lack of oxygen, which will increase by the climate change and the warming, which might be more dangerous for the Pacific than we all discuss in the moment. And to bring this to the public, we found out that might be the waka tradition to go with these friendly, environmentally friendly boats over the ocean would bring back the connection from the people and the islands to the ocean. So we started this project 3 years ago, and we managed in last year to build 6-7 wakas and giving that to the different islands on a charter basis, combined with a training issue. And because there are many islands, they have no left any sailors since centuries, or let's say decades. And so this year they managed to sail from Auckland to Tahiti, back to Fiji, and they made 5,500 miles with 5 boats. And this was a huge success, and turned out that they have perfect sailors, and everything happened. And big response on the islands on this. It's really great to see how it emphasizes the people to bring this back. We just sailed up from Tonga here because I feel that the Niue would be a wonderful place to create this ocean voyaging also. So I hope that people are here who would like to sail on such a waka to learn to join us. What we do, and that was your last question also, we took people from all the islands and we train them, we pay them salaries. And from Vanuatu, Solomon, Samoa, all these different islands have people here, so that gives also some work and some enhancement. And by the long, it can create some attraction for the tourists and some work and income for the people. And in the same time, this is the main issue of the waka, educating of the young people. So the waka should only go for purpose 3 months a year and 9 months for education and cultural revitalization. The people of the Pacific, it's great response. I mean, you can't imagine when we had the first gathering of the wakas together in Auckland, there had been 10,000 people in the harbor of Auckland. We made a race on Sunday. It was aired on the first programs in New Zealand, even on BBC. It was a response in the entire Pacific, unbelievable. And when we went around the islands, I mean, they made ceremonies and welcome ceremonies they might have never did in the last decades. They put all the old ceremonies out, the costume, and it was wonderful to see how they loved it. So I guess it can't be better response from the people in the island.
Come on! Go at the waka! Go at the waka! Kiterangi ngā pō tiketo a puta ki te tai. Wa puta ki te tai. Kamo te karakia, kamo te karakia. Eti ao ao, eti ao ao. E waka koe noku. Hei, hei, hei. E waka koe noku. Hei, hei, hei. Iritu, kairitu. Iritu, kairitu. Kairitu, kiterangi ngā pō tiketo a puta ki te tai. Wa puta ki te tai. Kamo te karakia, kamo te karakia.
The crew also paid a courtesy visit to government today and may be departing the island by the end of the week, but that is highly dependent on the weather. Hanado dola do wala tala tutubukin lata yamwe afia finei. Tutuko atu foki e tau whaalo whalahi ki he mga whaoa ha tik hipa ha koe matuwhi whine whahele ko tasi ko kioki mai ia ki he aho poke puli e pō in e pō. That's our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.